Yes, how are you? Hi, Moses.
Welcome, Mr. President to America. My name is Sharon
Today is not mine, and so
Thank you very much.
And see, people from ODM. We're also working on a system whereby we will get offices to be dealing with issues of visas and IDs and others where you are or close to where you are, so you don't have to tarmac and go long places. We're also working on an issue in the American spirit that if you want your passport, regular speed of 2 weeks, you pay the normal fee. If you want it in 1 week, you can pay $500. If you want it in 4 hours, you pay $2,000, so that to pay for the charges of getting the services, for you to be able to get the service you need when you need it.
Before, it has been very difficult to sell our products here, but now, even if you are from Nyeri and the governor of Nyeri is here, you can be able to bring your product from Nyeri. Even if you don't know anybody in the US, put your goods there, and then you are going to work with the e-commerce people like Amazon and yourselves and be able to take them from there.
I mean all government services. At the moment, we have only 300 government services available online. But in the next 6 months, we will have onboarded 5,000 government services online and available on the digital platform, so that even when you are anywhere in the world, you can still you can still access government services.